Reprogramming your 2015-2016 Chevy Tahoe smart key fob is a straightforward DIY process. This involves syncing the fob's RFID chip with the vehicle's body control module, BCM. You'll need your Tahoe, a new or reprogrammed fob, and optionally a second working key. First, ensure all doors are closed and the vehicle is unlocked. Second, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on-run position without starting the engine. Third, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the vehicle responds, such as the doors locking or unlocking. Fourth, if programming additional fobs, repeat the process within 30 seconds. Fifth, turn the ignition off and test each fob to confirm successful programming. This method resets the BCM's memory, allowing up to 8 fobs to be programmed. Make sure your Tahoe's battery is above 12.6 volts to avoid issues. And be aware that this uses proximity-based RFID technology, not Bluetooth, for the core pairing. If the DIY programming method fails for your 2015-2016 Tahoe key fob, first check that your vehicle's battery is strong and the fob's antenna isn't damaged. For immobilizer issues, professional reprogramming is recommended to avoid security risks. As an alternative, the My Chevrolet app, updated in 2024, offers enhanced integration for remote diagnostics and key fob management via Bluetooth, enabling wireless reprogramming when paired with a smartphone. Looking ahead, key fob technology is evolving toward digital integration. While physical remotes remain viable for your 2015-2016 Tahoe, over 70% of new GM vehicles feature app-based key sharing. Aftermarket upgrades like OBD2 adapters provide partial app control for older models.